Welcome to the Super Patch Strategy video for maximizing your impact and maximizing your income. First step is obviously to sign up. So there are 4 launch kits for you to start with: $549, $699, $999, and $1,999. For this example, we'll use the $999 kit. Why that kit? Because it's a great way for you to get started with a kit that includes all the different types of patches inside. And it's a great duplication system where you'll be able to help a new associate get started right away with the pack of 28 Liberty patches so that they can do balance tests right away without having to wait for their own kit. And once they receive their kit, they can give you the pack of Liberty back so that you can recycle the same $999 kit month after month after month to speed things up, because we know that success loves speed. When you enroll someone who takes the same $999 kit that you did, you receive a commission of $114 that is paid as a base commission. And until the end of this month, there's an extra $100 bonus that Jay has added on top. This means that every time you sign up a new associate with the $999 kit this month, you make $214 in commissions. Once you signed up, the second step is to do a bunch of balance tests. The objective is to do 28 to 56 balance tests in your first week to maximize your impact and maximize your income. By doing 28 to 56 balance tests, for sure, there are at least 3 people who will sign up as associates. Let's assume that everyone starts with the same $999 kit that you started with. That gives you $214, and $214 in commissions. The company gives us 30 days to unlock the $200 hat trick bonus. That's an additional bonus for getting our first 3 associates. And with this strategy, you unlock it in only 7 days. Plus, there's also the driver bonus that gives you an extra $200 when you sign up 3 new associates in the same month, which means that you get $1,042 after your first week. In just 1 week, you already made your money back. Then in the second week, what happens? Well, we give each new associate a pack of Liberty patches right away so they can do the same thing that you just did in their first week. Do 28 balance tests so that in turn, they can sign up their first 3 associates during their first week. Now, what does that do? This pays you a second level bonus of $684. The company gives you 60 days to unlock the $400 All-Star bonus. And thanks to this strategy, you unlock it in a short 2-week period. This means that for your second week of activity, you earn $1,084 for a total of $2,126. But we're not done here. By applying this very strategy, you reach the rank of team leader and earn an additional $100 in rank advancement bonus for a total of $2,226 in 2 weeks. So in just 2 short weeks, you can earn more than twice the price of your launch kit. So a quick recap. First week, you start and you do 28 to 56 balance tests in 1 week. We help you enroll your first 3 associates. You earn $1,042, and you pay back your launch kit. Then second week, we help your 3 associates do the same thing you just did, and then you earn $1,184 for a total of $2,226 in just 2 weeks. It's that simple. And step 4, very important. We repeat. We repeat over and over and over and over and over again. So now that you know the strategy to maximize your impact and maximize your income, now it's time for you to take action.